Hey folks, Adam here, and I've got a great new dash cam from Botslab. Beautiful 3K image, front, rear, the sides, this thing covers it all. You have safety on all sides. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right folks, so let me tell you a little bit about the device. We've got that 3K 4-channel dash cam, 560 degrees. This thing has you covered on all sides. It's a beautiful dash cam, it has 24/7 park mode, built-in GPS, 5.8G Wi-Fi to where you can get those files quickly to your phone. It's got night vision, voice control, and a 128 gig card. Now I love that 3K dash cam, much better than the 2K dash cams we've seen in the past. It captures everything from crystal clear license plates to stop signs to the faces of the people walking by, so that's pretty cool. 170 degree front camera, 120 side camera, and 150 rear camera. So that means you have no blind spots and you have evidence and everything you need in every single situation. And yeah, I absolutely love the fact that this just sets up easy, goes right in, you don't have anything to worry about. Of course, with hardwiring, you can go ahead and get that parking mode, which will monitor you while you park, monitor your car, and it'll do a kind of like a time lapse where it does like 1 frame per second to where you can keep an eye on your car. It's keeping people honest, seeing you have a camera, but on top of that, if anything does happen, kid throws a baseball at your car by accident, or an adult throws a baseball at your car on purpose, you're gonna know what happened, you're gonna have evidence of it. And that can be very, very powerful. Of course, you have the 4-way split screen. I like that, and it can be voice controlled. You can literally tell it to start recording verbally, which sometimes if you're driving or in an incident, you don't have a free hand. So you can tell it to start recording. That's pretty cool. And there's a lot of cool aspects there as well. And it has collision detection that will lock a 1-minute video upon impact, preserving critical evidence if needed. The night vision, f1 point aperture, 6 lenses. This is really impressive for low light and high contrast situations. We're able to test it out, and you could really see much better than I thought. In fact, it was kind of hard to show what was night vision and what wasn't because the image was so crystal clear. Now, it's got a high precision GPS module to accurately kind of record your vehicle's location, your speed, your travel route. This can be very important, again, in evidence situations, or if you have the kids driving the car, or you just want to know where things happened, where things were. It's got real-time speed, and it's intelligently overlaid in the footage, which we like as well, that we can always tell exactly what's going on right in the footage itself. Now, that 5.8 gigahertz Botslab dash cam means that you can transfer data very quickly, like 300% faster than traditional methods with the 2.4 gigahertz network. And of course, this has 8-second pre-recording function for the G-Shock sensor, so it actually kind of goes back in time and records what it previously saw to make sure you know what happened before impact, and that's pretty cool too. And unlike battery-powered models, this superior capacitor ensures stable performance, -20 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius. The power's not going to get cut. This is perfect for all weather conditions, park monitors, everything you need. Even in those cold days, you still have an eye on your vehicle. And folks, I know we've been showing various overlays throughout the video, but I really do like how easy and convenient it is to just slide the TF card into my laptop and then suddenly open up a file and we're able to see exactly what's going on. I'm gonna pause it. That guy kind of looked like me. He's wearing the same color shirt I had on yesterday. But say we're in the parking lot, we can literally see people's faces, we can literally read license plates, and then we will see the G90, G980H multi-channel, the date, the time, the miles per hour, everything ready on your screen, and that's pretty impressive as well. So you can see exactly what's going on at any given time. We may be going 10 miles an hour, and it even gives your north, south, east, west over there, so you know your exact coordinates. And that's a very pretty image, even paused in a moment's notice. This is a very impressive design. I'm very happy how quickly we can read and see what's going on. This was an actual moment right here where this guy was not looking, and I decided to stop my car because he wasn't looking as he backed out, and his spotter wasn't looking either. I was curious to see if he was going to hit me, and he didn't. But if he did, that would have been nice to be able to show that would have been his fault. All right, folks, and I did want to show you this. Up until this portion of the video, we only had the one side camera, and I'm going to show you how cool and modular this is. So you can go ahead and you can click in your additional side camera there, and now we have both cameras. We can direct them wherever we feel fit. That's nice, and now we have all 4 cameras recording. So this is unlike any camera I've ever seen, that it's kind of modular in the way it works, that you can add and remove cameras, and you can direct them accordingly. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the little piece of plastic film on this guy, and we're gonna drive around one more time. So yeah, folks, this is an absolutely fantastic camera. I'm a big fan, and I think you're gonna like it as well. Now, my favorite things about it is this gives me a sense of security, knowing that if somebody slams on the brakes and tries to sue me, I have a camera showing they slammed on the brakes. Or if I get pulled over and someone says I ran a stop sign, maybe I can go back to those cameras, and since I got 360, I can show, hey, if I stopped exactly at the stop sign, I can't see left and right because there's some shrubs there, and I can show the actual footage. So this is something that's very important to me. I can even show, hey, I was only going so fast. You shouldn't be giving me a ticket for 30 over when I was only going 5 over, that sort of thing. Now, the audio quality is fantastic, and that night vision is very good too. But that front and rear camera, the 1080p, the 3K, is really fantastic, and I love that. I also love the fact that I can stream straight to my app. That's convenient for me, and this gives me a sense of security. If somebody else is driving my car, I can go back to the footage and I can see if they drove it responsibly, right? So that's going to be important as well. Next, I got to tell you that I love this brand. This is a premier brand, a brand that stands behind their products and delivers great products from top to bottom and stem to stern. That's because they've been doing this for a long period of time, and they have a pretty much a 0 defect rate. They have very few defects. In fact, I've never seen anyone complain about their product being defective. Also, the installation process is very simple, and they give you all the cables and all the cards that you need, and we'll show that in the up close portion of the video. So folks, if you're looking for a beautiful camera with beautiful images, well, guess what? This is a tremendous device for you, and it's indeed a tremendous device for me. I highly recommend you go pick one up. From the impressive sensors to the beautiful imagery, the ease of transfer, and the overall quality, this thing can't be beat. And it's from a great brand that you know you can trust. Folks, I highly recommend this device to you, so go pick one up. My name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. With that being said, stick around for the up close portion of the video for even more. Thanks for watching, and stick around. All right, friends, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. It's the G90 980H multi-channel, 3.18 inch screen. It's got voice control, built-in GPS, and a 360-degree all-around protection, which is great for you. And of course, it's great for me. Now, this is going to give you the sense of security that no other camera will, because of that the full range that it's going to call. 360s all the way around, but this is giving more than that, so that's pretty cool. Because you got left and right completely covered, front and back completely covered, so you've got a lot of overlap. It's a dash cam by Botslab Inc. Only using 2.4 amps, so that's very energy efficient. And yeah, very excited about it. Now it comes to the main unit. Let's peel this off together. Definitely remove that before use. And I like that you can adjust that. That's something I'm seeing on the higher end cameras, is that you can adjust the exact angle that you want to film. Very nice piano black with that big 3+ inch screen. Adhesive built in to where you can plug it in and go. Very nice there. Move that out of the way. And you're gonna have a 128 gigabyte card included. Can you believe that? Biggest card around, and they include it. There's for plugging it into your lighter and USB-C. I presume that's going to plug in right there, but we'll figure it out, which side it goes on and everything here in a little bit. Of course, we do have the additional camera. That's very nice. Wow, that's like magnetic based. That's really neat. Letting you know where to put that. Okay, so very nice. Looks like you can adjust it how you want it to get the angle you want. Again, very nice top end stuff. The extended cable for that rear camera. A little extra adhesive is included to pop it off if you need to. And of course, here's your quick start guide for the camera. So it has the installation video, the micro SD TF card, the power cable, the hardwire optional cable, so you can hardwire it if you want. The app download and information about installing the dash cam even to the rear window so you can see it. Protected by onboard recording so everyone knows. Additional adhesive here. I like to give you a couple because sometimes you want to move them around, move them to a different vehicle, and all your instructions and things included. So folks, I love, you can see that's a good quality lens. Good crystal clear lens. Adjustable here. Let's go ahead and take that off before our first recording. Yep. And yeah, what a great design. Looks like this is straightforward and easy to use. TF card goes right there. Adjustable to the angle of your windshield. And folks, if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, let's move everything out of the way for you. If you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, this is a brand. Very low defect rate, practically 0 defects. That's impressive. High quality, multi-channel, easy to connect, easy to use, straightforward, and convenient. There we go. The additional connections are right there. And yeah, folks, it's time to go ahead and pick one up. It's that moment in the video that if you haven't put it in your car already, do that. And if you haven't, go pick one up. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. And these guys are a real winner. Thanks for watching and adios amigos.